We are optimistic, from the sunflower to the impeller. Optimistic is a Portuguese company with vast experience in supplying rotary equipment and ability to produce fans, blowers and compressors. Our commitment to providing excellent customer service, combined with the relationship created, builds a trust that we value. At Optimistic, in every level, from the engineers who manufacture state-of-the-art rotary equipment to the industrial designers specialized in tailor-made solutions, maintenance, monitoring and commissioning specialists are committed to the success of our clients. At Optimistic, change and innovation are daily instruments to always be up to date with the demands of constantly evolving industry. We are trust. It is from our positive vision that trust is born between us and our clients. We generate positive energy. We are a company highly specialized in technology and production, which enable us to have a leading role in manufacturing, optimization, repair and maintenance of rotary equipment in different industries. We design and produce according to our customers' needs. We are sustainable. Optimistic is determined to work for a greener and more sustainable future. We are dedicated to world decarbonization and to cooperate with all our partners and customers on innovation towards sustainability. Optimistic produces specially designed hydrogen compressors and related hydrogen auxiliary parts. Being a clean and flexible energy source, hydrogen provides an inherently clean energy without adverse environmental impacts. We put all the energy in our business, and consequently, we're always open to change. This is only way to evolve side by side with the planet. And with optimism and determination that come from our roots, we trust in the future ahead of us. We are moving to success. We are optimistic.